Hi, y'all. Well, I was out to the dumpster this morning. So, when I was out there, I seen something, and the other day I was thinking, well, I'm going to do those long handled gourds, but I'm going to need a trellis or something for them to hang from. And guess what? There was this bed rail out here, which I am going to get tucked into the ground, of course, so it will hold them. But for now, yeah, I don't have to buy a trellis. I've actually got one. So, yeah, I'll be getting that all fixed up as soon as it gets a little warmer. It's still cold, and we still got all of this hail yet. So I'm gonna go back in. It's freezing out here, but another dollar saved. I don't have to buy a trellis, and that's gonna work just fine. I've got brackets I can put it into the ground with, and there you have it. Use what you find. You don't have to exactly go out and buy it. Bye for now.